Hello students, how are you? I hope you are all fine. So today I will explain on the topic of solving simultaneous linear equation. So how we solve simultaneous linear equation? There are two methods. First one graphical method and second one algebraic method. In algebraic method there are three methods. First one substitution method, second one elimination method, and last one cross multiplication method. In this video, I will explain on the topic of substitution method and elimination method. Now I will explain substitution method with an example. Question number 2. Solve x plus y is equal to 3 and 4x minus 3y is equal to 26. So now we solve these two simultaneous linear equations by the method of substitution. When we solve a simultaneous equation by substitution method, first we express any variable, suppose x, in terms of y. So from equation 1 we express y, we can express x in terms of y. So 3 minus y. Next we put x equal to 3 minus y in second equation, in equation 2. Then we get 4 into the value of x is 3 minus y minus 3y is equal to 26. Then the second equation becomes a linear equation in a single variable, that is y. If we solve this new equation, then we get the value of y. So 4 into 3, 12 minus 4y minus 3y is equal to 26. So minus 4y minus 3y is equal to minus 7y. 26 minus 12 is equal to 40. So y equal to 14 upon minus 7 is equal to minus 2. So we get the value of y. Next we put the value of y in any equation, first or second. So put y equal to minus 2 in equation first. Then we get x plus y is equal to 3. So x is equal to 3 plus 2, that is 5. So x equal to 5 and y equal to minus 2 are the solution of given simultaneous linear equation. So when we solve a simultaneous linear equation by substitution method, first step we express any variable, suppose x, in terms of y. Next we put the value of x in second equation. Then second equation becomes a linear equation in single variable y. Then we solve the new equation. Then we get value of y. And next we put the value of y in any one equation, first or second, then we get the value of x. Now we explain elimination method with an example. Question number 4. Solve 2x minus 3y is equal to 13 and 7x minus 2y is equal to 20. So first we First we consider equation. First equation as equation 1 and second equation as equation 2. In elimination method, we have to eliminate any one variable, either x or y. Multiplying equation 1 by the numerical coefficient of x in equation 2, that is 7, and multiply equation 2 by the numerical coefficient of x in equation 1. Then we get 7 into 2, 14x minus 7 into 3, 20y is equal to 91. This is new equation and this is third equation. And next multiply the second equation by 2, then we get 14x minus 2 into 2, 4y equal to 20 into 2, 40. So this is third and fourth equation. So to make the numerical coefficient of x in both the equations are equal, we have to multiply equation 1 by 7 and equation 2 by 2. So from equation 3 and 4, we see that the numerical coefficient of x having same sign. So we have to subtract. If the numerically equal coefficient are in opposite sign, then we subtract, then we add. If the numerically equal coefficient of x are same sign, then we subtract. So for equal sign or same sign, we do subtract. For different sign, we do add. So from equation 3 and 4, it is clear that the numerically equal coefficient of x have same sign, so we have to subtract equation 4 from equation 3. So when we subtract, sign should be changed, plus change into minus, minus change into plus, and plus change into minus. So 14x minus 14x cancel. So minus 21x plus 4 minus 20y plus 4y is equal to minus 70y, and 90 minus 40, 51. Then y is equal to 51 upon minus 70 is equal to minus 3. Next we put y equal to minus 3 in any equation, first or second. In equation first, then we get 2x minus 3y is equal to 13. So 2x plus 9 is equal to 13. So 2x is equal to 13 minus 9, 4. X is equal to 4 upon 2, that is 2. So x equal to 2 and y equal to minus 3 are the solution of the given simultaneous equation. So in elimination method, first we make numerically equal coefficient of both the equations by multiplying the coefficient of x by multiplying equation 1 by the numerical coefficient of x in equation 2 and multiply the second equation by the numerical coefficient of x in equation 1. And if the equally numerical coefficient of x having same sign, then we subtract, otherwise we add. I will give you another example to understand elimination method. Question number 11, solve 2x plus 5y equal to 8 upon 3 gives equation 1, and 3x minus 2y is equal to 5 upon 6 is second equation. So from the given two equation, it is clear that y has different sign in two equations. So by elimination method, we can eliminate x, y. But in this question, we see that y has different sign. So if we eliminate y, then it will be easy to solve. So how we can equal the numerical coefficient of y in both equations? By multiplying equation 1, multiplying equation 1 by the numerical coefficient of y in equation 2, that is 2, and equation 2 multiplied equation 2 by the numerical coefficient of y in equation 1 by, that is 5. Then we get two new equations. First one will be 4x plus 10y is equal to 8 into 2, 16 upon 3. And another equation will be 5 into 3, 15x minus 5 into 2, 10y is equal to 5 into 5, 25 upon 6. This is third equation and this is fourth equation. So from third and fourth equation we see that y has different sign. So we add equation third and fourth. So 4x plus 15x, 19x plus 10y minus 10y cancel. So 16 upon 3 plus 25 upon 6. So LCM will be 6 and 32 plus 25 is equal to 57 upon 6. So x is equal to 57 upon 6 multiplied 93. So 3 1 is 3, 3 2 is 6. So 1 upon 2. Next we put x equal to 1 upon 2 in equation 1 here 2 in equation 1. Then we get 2 into x, that is 1 upon plus 5 into 1 is equal to 8 upon 3. So 2 to cancel, 1 plus 5y is equal to 8 upon 3, 5y is equal to 8 upon 3 minus 1, 8 minus 3 upon 3, so 5 upon 3, and y is equal to 5 upon 3 multiplied 5, cancel 1. So x equal to 1 upon 2 and y equal to 1 upon 3 are the solution of given simultaneous equation.